what are you most looking forward to when lockdown is lifted?
I'm currently still in halls, so I'm really looking forward to going home and seeing my family. I'm also really looking forward to finally being able to go back down to the Hoe again if the weather's still good, but right now I'm stuck in my room.
The thing that I'm most looking forward to when lockdown is lifted is having a beer with my friends at the Barbican and having a picnic at the Hoe. I think that would be such a beautiful idea, just be kind of sitting there with like the breeze of the wind and the sun, just like this. But not for a window. In reality, that'd be really nice.
I can't wait for the lockdown to be lifted. When I came home, I didn't have a chance to see my friends before everything went into lockdown. So I can't wait to have a barbecue with my friends and my boyfriend and just hang out and have a really nice time in the sunshine. I'm also looking forward to heading back to Plymouth in the sun and spending the week with my housemates and just going to different beaches and doing different fun things and just spending time with them, because obviously I've missed a whole term with them, so it would be great to see them again.
I've got, again, a couple things to say. I'm really looking forward to being able to get the bus to see my family. I miss them a lot right now, so it'd be nice to see them again. Obviously I'm doing Skype calls and stuff with them, but obviously it's not quite the same. I'm also looking forward to going for a really big walk on Dartmoor. I'm quite an active person and I love being outdoors. I love walking through nature, and I'm really looking forward to being able to do that again. This one's going to sound a bit stupid, but I'm really looking forward to being able to spend like an hour in a food shop just looking at the food, not necessarily buying it because it might not be on offer, but I'm quite a browser of food when I go to food shops and can accidentally waste a lot of time when I'm doing that. But I have been doing that online instead to kind of quell that desire that I have. I'm really looking forward to getting back into the college facilities as well. I know I'm looking forward to seeing a lot of people and being able to pursue certain aspects of like projects and stuff. So yeah, I'm just really looking forward to it being over.